Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to auto-number rows in Excel. Like and subscribe to support this channel. Let's get started. How should automatic row numbering work? We enter a value into a cell and number 1 appears. We enter a value into another cell and number 2 appears. And so it's each time with a new value. How can this be done? To solve this problem, we use a small formula like this. How does it work? If the neighboring cell D3 is empty, then, in the case of a true value, that is cell D3 is empty, the number doesn't appear. If there is a data in cell D3, then the count_a function is activated, which creates row numbering. Just don't forget the $sign so that the function works correctly and creates a numbering sequence. Press enter, drag the formula to the required cells and check how it works. When you enter text or values into cells, numbering appears automatically, which is what we need. This method is also convenient because when a row is deleted, the numbering is not interrupted but recalculated, taking into account the deleted row. That's all I wanted to say. Now in all more. Thanks for watching.